Hi, this is Nick from Kaplan Computers, and I'm here to discuss the merits of a VPN. As you can see here, my IP and my geographic location are exposed on the screen. If I go down here and I turn on CyberGhost, both of these values will change when I refresh the page. This website is to check for DNS leaks, which would reveal your regular IP through a DNS server. DNS servers' jobs are to translate text domains like this to IPs, like up here, 142.250.80.14 will bring you straight to Google. That is a DNS server's job, so that you can type Google instead of having to type all those numbers. If you need a VPN, you can get one through CyberGhost. Molvat is also a good option, so is NordVPN.